Welcome to another fall day in my life. You guys wanted more fall content and I wanted to make more fall content, so it's perfect. I actually didn't think that I was gonna feel the seasons changing really with like me graduating this year, not going back to school. I just didn't expect to be in the fall spirit, but I so am. It just feels like a new chapter, this new like era of my life that is so exciting. Some of you guys know I'm also starting my wedding content creation business and I feel like it's really picking up right now. I just had a meeting with a bride for a wedding that I'm doing next weekend, which I am so excited about, and you guys are actually gonna see that. I'm kind of like vlogging the whole process of this. We're gonna have another like post-grad diaries video, so that will be out soon. I'm not sure when, but yeah, I don't know. It feels like a new chapter. It's exciting, it's fun. I'm in the fall spirit. I even did fall themed makeup today. I actually love how it turned out. I didn't know if it was gonna look super fall because I feel like I stick to a lot of the same colors when I do my makeup, so I didn't know how it was gonna turn out, but I tried to like layer different things, go for more of like deeper reds and like berry colors, I guess, and I feel like it worked. I genuinely feel like my makeup looks different today. Hopefully you guys can see, but I did this like shimmer on my eyes, did lots of like maroon with like an orange shimmer, more of a reddish blush, and then my lip combo feels very fall too. I did Kylie Cosmetics liner. I believe this is the shade Pecan, Hourglass lipstick in Tiger Lily, and then Fenty lip gloss in Hot Chocolate. I love it. It's so fall. Should we come up with a name for this makeup? You know how like on Pinterest or TikTok you always see like cute little food related names for makeup looks? I feel like this one has to be something with apple because there's a lot of red. Maybe like apple crisp or apple pie makeup. If you have a cute name idea, let me know. But yeah, my makeup and hair is done, so let's get dressed. I have a super cute new fall bag that I want to style my outfit around, and it is this gorgeous Coach bag. It has gold hardware and this gorgeous detailing on the front. Brown bags are my favorite, honestly, for any season, but especially for fall. The inside is also lined with brown, and then you have a couple little card pockets right here. So let's pick out some outfits to style this. I'm just gonna show you guys a bunch of my favorite pieces that I've been loving for fall. First of all, we have these jeans. I think dark wash jeans are just so fall. And then these also have this cute little tie on the waistband so you can tie a little bow. I really want to wear these today. I've also been loving this little dress. Obviously the color is very fall, but I also like that you can dress it up, dress it down. You can throw on a little cardigan, wear it with some boots. I feel like that would be so cute. But even just on its own, if you live somewhere that doesn't really have seasons like where I live, this is perfect. I also love a mini skirt. I feel like this is a great transitional piece. Same as the dress, you can dress it up or down. You can wear it with boots. This would not be fall outfit inspo if I didn't include a cute sweater. I really like the fit of this one. Not too short, not too long. It has like wider sleeves. I have this one in navy and white stripes too, and I love it. I feel like these would pair so well together though. This is so cute. I also love a pair of white jeans. I love the fit of these too because they're wide leg, they're a little bit baggy, they're super comfy, but I feel like they dress up your outfit just a tiny bit. I just feel like white jeans make you look really put together. Kind of along the same lines is a white t-shirt. You guys know how I feel about my white t-shirt and jeans. It can be so cute and classy if you accessorize right. I feel like this might be what I wear today actually because it's not cold enough for any of the sweaters and I really want to wear those jeans that have the little tie. But this with like a cute cardigan. I have this red cardigan that's actually dirty right now so I can't show you guys, but layered over a white t-shirt with like the white peeking out on the neckline. Oh my gosh, so cute. I know it's so simple. I just feel like wearing a white t-shirt and blue jeans is one of my favorite outfits to wear. It's so easy. It can look so chic in any season, but especially fall. I love it so much for fall. We also have this adorable pink and brown long sleeve. It's a little bit baggy, so super comfortable. Last but not least, I had to include a cardigan. How could I not? I recently got this one. It is so cute with the wide sleeves. I love that it has 2 buttons. It's just so cozy and warm. But you guys know my heart is going back to the t-shirt and jeans, and we're gonna style it cute with accessories, make it a little bit more interesting. So let's get changed. Okay, we're dressed. I'll show you guys the full outfit in a second, but for now, let's accessorize. I'm gonna add this cute little necklace. I haven't worn this one in a while, but it has this little red heart on it. I feel like that is very fall. Someone count how many times I say that's so fall in this video. I'm gonna add this chunky ring that has some red in it to tie it together. I'm also gonna do these 2 little wavy ones. I only wear rings on my middle fingers, I feel like. It's just the most comfortable for me. I'm throwing in these earrings. These are so old. I need to get new ones. They're just little, like, not hoops. I don't even know what to call these, but they are not in good shape if you look close, but that's okay. Nobody's looking that close. And then I'm gonna throw on some bracelets. I've become a bracelet girl recently. I have this one that looks like it's like braided. I'm squeezing on these ones. They're kind of hard to get on, but super cute. I like to wear these ones together a lot. And then the star of the show is my little Coach bag. I just think this is so cute, so timeless, so classy. You guys probably hear me using those words a lot, but that is just because it's my favorite style. I just love a piece that's timeless and versatile. So I have been a Coach fan for so long. I have so many Coach bags. This one's definitely my favorite for fall. I really like this like muted brown color. I feel like it can go with any outfit. It's very neutral neutral, which makes it super versatile. It's also the perfect size. It holds everything that I need. I love a smaller structured bag that like I don't have to dig through to find all of my stuff. The only things that I absolutely want to have on me at all times are my wallet, my keys, lip combo, and like some mints. Let's pack my little bag. We're gonna throw in my card holder, my keys, my Listerine strips, I love these, and my lip combo of the day. That's really everything that I have with me on a daily basis, and there's still plenty of room in here. I could totally put my camera in here, which I will definitely do when I leave the house. It fits everything you need without being bulky. It is truly a bag for any occasion. I feel like it's classy enough to be worn to work or to a special event. It's cute and small enough to be worn to like a concert, somewhere with bag size requirements where you need a smaller bag. This can come with me, which I love. I don't have to like get a separate smaller bag. Also perfect for like a girl's night out. I also think tomorrow me and Brayden are gonna go to the pumpkin patch and I will be taking this bag. It's also perfect for running errands because it's so small and easy to carry. I also love to like style and accessorize my bags. So I'll throw on like a bag charm or a hair clip. I think I might do a little hair clip today. I feel like that could be really cute. I just grabbed a few that I feel like would look really good on this bag. I have a little polka dot one, a flower one. I thought the browns could be cute together. This little cream one with brown details, or this cute little gold one. I love the gold hardware on this bag. I'm such a gold girl. That's actually so adorable. I don't know, maybe I'll go with this red one because I do have a couple pops of red in my outfit. So let's clip this on there. Oh yeah, this is adorable. Oh, I love it. Okay, this is the finished look we're going with today. So simple and chic. Thank you so much to Coach for partnering with me. You guys know how much I love my purses, so this is seriously such a dream partnership for me. Coach just has the most amazing quality bags. You are getting your money's worth and you're also getting the cutest styles to choose from. I cannot express enough how much I love Coach. So thank you guys again for partnering with me. Now let me show you guys the full look. We're getting ready to head out and I wear my Coach shoes. I wear these like every day. Alrighty. Okay, so I was debating on if I wanted to go to this coffee shop that I went to the other day that has a really, really good pumpkin chai, or if I wanted to try a new coffee shop because I thought I had seen a TikTok or something of them having some like good pumpkin drinks or pastries and stuff, but I tried looking for it, I couldn't find it, and then I realized the place was literally closed, so I missed it today. Maybe we'll go tomorrow, I don't know, but it was meant to be that we're here, so I am outside of Pete's right now. I don't come here very often, but I was here the other day, I got the pumpkin chai, and it was amazing, literally one of the best ones I've ever had, and I feel like this just wouldn't be a fall video if I did not try a fall drink, so that's what we're gonna do. In my last one, I tried a pumpkin smoothie, a pumpkin matcha, so today it's pumpkin chai. I ordered it a little bit different this time though, so let's go pick it up and see if it's good. So I didn't realize I was gonna look like a literal child. I added whipped cream and cinnamon. I don't know why I assumed they would just use like a normal lid, like it's cold foam or something, but we got the dome lid. I feel like everyone just makes fun of these because it just looks like you are 8 years old. I don't care. God forbid a girl tries her pumpkin chai with whipped cream. Let's see how it tastes this time. Yeah, just as good, if not better. I wasn't sure if it was just the barista from last time and I got lucky, or if this drink was just consistent, and it is consistent. My God, this is good. I am also glad that I came to Pete's because I know it's a chain, so that way if you guys wanted to try this too, you could, because the other place I was gonna go to was just a local spot, but this is amazing. But anyways, I want to go to a little stationery store. I went a couple weeks ago and I could genuinely spend hours in there. They have like the cutest journals and planners. We'll see what we find. I think there's actually another little stationery store that I would want to go to. I don't remember what it's called, so we'll see if I can find it. I actually don't know where I'm going at all. I've like never seen this area before. I don't know where I am. guys, I ended up finding that one store that I had been to a couple times and really liked. It had like stationery stuff, but it also had like cookbooks and home decor and some clothes too, actually. And I got something there. I didn't find anything in the first store that I went to. Those stores are so fun to look at, but I feel like a lot of times I just don't need some of the stuff that's in there. So unless it's something that I've been wanting for a while or like a birthday card, I knew I probably wasn't gonna walk out with something. I did have something in mind. They didn't have it, but then I ended up going to that next store. Didn't think I was gonna get anything there either. But I found what I was looking for in the first store, actually, at the second store. I got one of these leather notebooks that like has this little strap around it, and then it has notebooks on the inside, and you can like change them out. There's 3 in here, actually. I didn't even realize that. One is just lined, one is dotted, and then what's the last one? Okay, the last one is just blank. Then it has a little pouch in the back. I think there's one in the front too, actually. Yeah, there's a little pocket up here. I don't know if you guys have seen these notebooks before, but they are everywhere for me right now, and I have been wanting one for a bit. I also was shocked by the price because the store that I got this in is more on the expensive side, and these journals can be like literally over $100, which is crazy. But this one was only $25, so immediately I was like, okay, I'm getting it. It has this little charm right here. I thought that was cute too. A lot of people put little charms right here too, so maybe I'll do that. This is just so cute. I'm so happy that I found this. I did not think that I was going to today, especially not in the store that I did, but I'm very happy with that purchase. Let's head home. The next day, we made our way out to the pumpkin patch. This was so much fun. It was such a wholesome little afternoon. We got to see some cute animals. We walked around for a while and picked out some pumpkins. We got a couple small ones to use as decoration, but we might go back and get some big ones so that we can carve them. So that'll be super fun. But that's gonna be all for today's video. Thank you again to Coach for sponsoring, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.